Welcome back, class. This video will discuss today's entrance ticket questions and answers, so please pay close attention so you know how to complete today's assignment, and also feel free to pause or rewind this video as needed. So your first question is, what is unity? And unity is the elements of design working together. Just like when people work together for a greater cause, we are unified, and in art it's the same way with the elements of design. And the elements of design refer to the 7 elements: line, color, shape, value, texture, space, and form. I don't think I repeated any. If I did, made a mistake, but that just comes to show that, or goes to show that saying the elements of design is a lot easier than listing those 7 things. So when any of those seven elements work together to make a cohesive, solid design that has a consistent theme, then that is unity in an artwork. Okay, the second question is, what is communication? And this is a very important definition in this unit because we are communicating through advertisements. And communication is the process of sending or receiving information. So in your advertisement, it's your job as the graphic designer to send a specific message to the viewer to, buy this product, and why would I want to buy this product? How much is it? Where can I get it? There's a whole lot of information that actually goes into one image, one advertisement, and you want to make sure, A, not to leave anything out, but B, also not to make it so overwhelming that the viewer can't clearly see the message or what the advertisement's communicating. So it's a balance of trying to figure that out. But those are your 2 questions for today for your entrance ticket. Please make sure that you are trying to apply both unity and communication in your project. And at the end of this video, complete your entrance ticket, submit it for your 2 points, and continue working and building upon your graphic design so you can submit an updated picture to your daily progress. All right, guys, that's everything that I have for this morning. Please message me if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing your graphic designs and how they've grown since the last class. Okay, bye, everyone.